What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna start the day off right by going to like a good spot. I don't know where I'm going with this. Today we're gonna get my car washed first of all. I think today's like the last nice day of the week, so I want to get some pictures in before it starts getting all shitty because it's kind of hard to take pictures in the rain. So I'm gonna get the car washed, take some pictures of the car for the Instagram. Right here, you guys should definitely follow that. I post a lot of pictures on there. So, yeah, go on the car wash. I only regret getting the black car a little bit. Like, I love the color of this car still. I like the black car look and everything to it. But holy shit, is it hard to keep this damn car clean. Like, even after completely washing it, I washed it twice this week. I did the blow dryer thing because this car wash has one of those. And I even hand dried it. And I'm pretty sure I still have spots because a little bit was inside of the sunlight. Like, the spots you get on this car are absolutely ridiculous. It sucks. I have a good time, like, taking pictures of my car. That's why you guys should follow my Instagram. From my Instagram, thanks for watching my videos. But the hardest part is always trying to find a good spot to take pictures at. So, today, as I was saying, it's probably the last nice day we have until, like, all these, like, hurricanes and shit hit. So I'm trying to just take a few pictures so I don't take anything when it rains because I don't want to be sitting on the rain taking pictures. I think it's a good excuse not to take pictures in the rain. So yeah, I'm just trying to find some spots that I haven't been to right now out of bumfuck nowhere. So I don't really know where I am. I just kind of found a spot with a bunch of closed road signs. It looks like it'd be a cool spot. Let's take a picture. So I'm gonna take a few quick pictures right here. Now, I don't have a fancy camera. I only have just a Sony point and shoot camera, but it's better quality than my phone camera, so that's why I use this. Yeah, took a few. Now let's follow up this road and see what we got up here, because I don't really know where I am. So maybe we can get some cool spots. Turns out the end of the road is just a dead end, and there's like two houses here, and there's something else really cool on this side. I don't know where to go. I just drove like a bunch of side roads thinking I would find something kind of interesting or cool to take a picture of, and I just found one spot with a bunch of green hills, and I was like, okay, that's kind of cool, but that was literally it. The rest of it was just like neighborhoods that I didn't know existed back there. How come cars never pull up next to me? They always like pull back to the side of me. Like, I got told that's like a race car thing. Everyone's like, oh, they see a cool car, they're not gonna park next to you. I think that's really weird. Like, there's so much space right there, and the guy's like 4 feet behind me. So I made this as a side note before, but it was kind of cloudy when I said it. And I was making my 5 things I love about this car. The one thing was the way when it's clean it sparkles. Now I have a what the hell did I hit here? I cleaned my car. I hit giant bugs. This splatter. Is that thing still alive? I don't even know. But the side note I made before was, like, I love the way this car sparkles. Now I'm gonna try to see if it picks up on the camera, because I'm not sure if it's going to, because the car's still dirty, even though I clean it every 5 seconds. But it's such like a weird black that, like, it just sparkles so much. That's actually probably a nice shot right there. Yeah, but the way this car sparkles, man, it's so cool. I just really need to learn how to watch cars properly so I don't get all these spots, because this car is covered in spots already. Like, if you can see it, I'm not sure if you can, but it has water spots. I'm really bad at cleaning cars, I guess. I don't really know. One interesting thing I found about this car that, I mean, it doesn't really, like, bother me or anything, but it's like one of those things I kind of wish it had. So I'm out of windshield washer fluid because I guess my windshield gets dirty a lot, so I have to wash it a lot. So, you know, I went to go buy more. But the one thing that, like, my Dodge Dart had this, it used to tell me when I would be out of fluid or something, which I guess is just a convenience thing. I mean, I know I'm out, but I kind of wish it would be like, yo, bro, like, you know you don't got fluid. And even the Dodge Dart, I had a monitor to check all my tire pressures, and this car doesn't have that. And you would think it would, because like I have all this fancy computer stuff on here, but it doesn't have any of that. Just kind of an interesting thing. I don't know, it's just a thing that I kind of wish it had. Hey, and we're squirting again. That was interesting. I put orange liquid in there. I didn't say, I was joking, thinking it would smell like oranges, and it legit smells like fucking oranges. So yeah, usually now it's when I put all my pictures on my computer and actually upload them to my phone to edit them, because I like how my phone editor thing works. Yeah, this video is probably really boring. It's probably the most like vloggy video I've done so far. I'm not sure if anyone's actually gonna like this sort of style video, but yeah. So pretty much I'm waiting on more parts coming. I said I ordered exhaust like probably like 2 months ago at this point, or a month and a half ago. They kind of canceled my order because they said they're not making that part anymore. So I had to go to a different company. So after all of that waiting, they finally told me, yeah, we're not sending you that. Sorry, here's your money back, which took a while. So I have an exhaust hopefully on the way soon. I ordered a different brand. More expensive than I was anticipating, but what can you do? It's the price you gotta pay to make your car loud. Alright, so yeah, I guess it's kind of lunchtime now, so I've gotta eat some lunch, go to work. I'll keep you guys updated on the whole thing. Follow my Instagram. I always have it tagged down below in the description, but I'll put it right here if I can edit that in. Sorry if this video is short or boring, but thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.